Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create home screen folders like this one on the Realme 7 Pro. To create a folder, press and hold on an app you want to add to the folder, then drag it over another app you want to have in the folder, and then release, and it's gonna create this folder. You can click on it to open it, you can click on its name to rename it, and you can add more apps by dragging them over the folder and releasing. And you can see that you have already pre-built folders like the Google one, and if it has more than 12 apps in it, you can scroll through pages of it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.